How to fix if Safari not loading websites on your iPhone. So if you want to fix if Safari not loading websites on your iPhone, then watch all the way through so you don't miss any of the steps. First, let's check if the content restrictions are blocking Safari. If you see a message saying you can't browse a page because it's restricted, it means screen time is limiting your access. To fix this, you need to close your Safari and open up the Settings app, and then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down and go with Content and Privacy Restrictions and enter your password if required. Then tap on the App Store, Media, Web, and Games. After that, choose Web Content and switch it to Unrestricted Access. After that, close your Safari completely from your background and reopen it. And your block sites should now work or load. If Safari still isn't working, it might be cached data. So go back to your Settings app and scroll down until you find Safari, or just simply go with the apps right here. And from the apps, you need to scroll down and you will find your Safari right here. Tap on it, then choose Clear History and Website Data. Once you find it, click on Clear History, confirm by tapping Clear History, and your problem might be fixed. If the issue still continues, you need to check your network connection. Some Wi-Fi network block certain websites, so disconnect from your current Wi-Fi and reconnect or switch to cellular data. Another quick fix is toggling on the airplane mode. Open up your control center, tap on the airplane icon, wait for a few seconds, and then again turn it off. And this might fix. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.